All right, it's August 13th, and a couple days ago, Rhonda surprised me with a drone. I'm trying to get used to it, but this is a test. I'm going to use three different cameras, the Insta360 X3, the drone camera, and then Rhonda's got her iPhone. We're going to see if we can mesh all three of these videos together and see what kind of aerial footage we can get. I'm still getting used to this drone, so I'm not a very good flyer yet. We're going to go down and do some shooting at the target range. They get the drone aimed just right. Do all of this and try not to shoot the drone. All right, I think we got that. We're going to change point of view on the drone. Still getting used to the drone, but there we are. All right. Second point of view. Out of bullets there. Now we're going to go down and try the Glock. Out of bullets. Now we're going to do a point of view of the yard. See how high this thing will go. It's really sensitive. Okay, now we're going to try to land the drone. Let's see if I can catch it without crashing it.